Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, a game changer for anyone looking to dive into custom printing, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. I'm super excited to share with you the PUNEHOD A3 R1390 DTF printer start kits, an incredible package that includes everything you need to get started with your printing journey. From the DTF oven to replacement print heads, for PCS t-shirts, software, and 2 sets of DTF supplies. This kit is the ultimate solution for those looking to create stunning designs on clothes and other materials. One of the standout features of the PUNEHOD A3 R1390 DTF printer is its excellent color performance. Equipped with an A3 R1390 CMYK-WW 6-channel printhead and upgraded intelligent RIP software, it achieves up to 2880 dpi HD resolution, rivaling the output quality of professional photo printers. Imagine being able to produce ultra-high color reproduction and photorealistic effects that ensure stunning visuals, even when transferring designs onto dark fabrics or textured materials. This level of quality opens up a world of possibilities for custom printing, from creating vibrant t-shirts to designing intricate patterns on hoodies and dresses. Another key benefit of the PUNEHOD A3 R1390 DTF printer is its low cost and high gain. This printer is specifically designed for printing custom patterns on transfer films, which can then be heat transferred to garments such as cotton t-shirts, polyester hoodies, and linen dresses. What's more, it allows you to start your printing business with an extremely low investment, making it suitable for both beginners and professionals. The printer consistently delivers vivid, realistic, and durable results, ensuring that your designs look great and last long. Whether you're looking to start a small printing business or simply want to create custom designs for personal use, this printer is an excellent choice. The PUNEHOD A3 DTF printer also excels in white ink printing, thanks to its 3-in-1 white ink circulation, mixing, and filtration system. This innovative system greatly improves the vitality of white ink and reduces sedimentation, thereby extending the service life of the print head by 50% compared to traditional printers. This means you can enjoy more consistent and reliable printing performance, with less maintenance and downtime. Plus, the printer's ability to handle white ink with ease opens up new creative possibilities, from creating intricate designs to printing stunning images with precise details. In terms of versatility, the PUNEHOD DTF printer is perfectly suited for all kinds of cotton, polyester, leather, and denim fabrics. The printed patterns are vivid and durable, and they can remain as good as new even after multiple washes. You can easily print on various items in just 9 minutes, making it an ideal solution for home DIY and office customers who make small batches of customization. Whether you're looking to create custom t-shirts, hoodies, or accessories, this printer can handle it with ease. Last but not least, the PUNEHOD printer machine features officially licensed RIP software, which enables multi-format file processing and color management with guaranteed protection against privacy breaches and system damage. The company also offers industry-leading service, with engineers available 24/6 to deliver lifelong one-on-one technical assistance. This means you can enjoy peace of mind, knowing that you have support whenever you need it. Whether you're a novice user or an experienced pro, the PUNEHOD A3 R1390 DTF printer is designed to be easy to use and maintain, leaving you entirely free from after-sales concerns. In conclusion, the PUNEHOD A3 R1390 DTF printer start kits is an incredible package that offers excellent color performance, low cost, and high gain, making it an ideal solution for anyone looking to start or grow their custom printing business. With its versatile application, excellent white ink printing, and industry-leading service, this printer is a game changer in the world of custom printing. If you're interested in learning more or purchasing this amazing product, find the link in the description below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your printing game to the next level. Get ready to create stunning designs and unlock new possibilities with the PUNEHOD A3 R1390 DTF printer. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.